People are awesome. There are people in this world that can handle playing cards like it's nobody's business. And we're going to be trying our hands in places where it's not our business, huh? So like, subscribe, grab your favorite deck of playing cards, and now, let's do it. So this is a video by People Are Awesome. And if you want to check out the whole thing, I'll put the link to it in the description. But anyway, let's do it. And that's how you warm up. All right, here we go. Starting with the Verts boys. Well, I can... Right, the main move that they did right there was the dribble, right? Starting right off the bat, dribble, piece of cake. Let me move this out of the way. Not the greatest. Actually, it was a variation on the dribble known as the Anaconda, which is a very long dribble. I've done it before. Maybe I can't do it now, but I've done it before. Trust me, bro. That I can do, I'm pretty sure. That's pretty cool. Nope. I'm actually curious to see if I could just do the part that they did with just turning the cards over in their hand. Watch that one more time. Here we go. Right here. There's no way the cards are going to spin for me. That's definitely not going to happen. But maybe we can make the cards turn over. Let's try that out. Oh, I hate picking up cards. With enough practice, it's definitely doable, just not for me. Friffle, Pharaoh, easy moves, and Cascade. Don't believe me? That's how it's done. The cards. Oh, I thought we were just doing a card spring for a second, and then it turned into like that delta sign. I've never tried that. Let's watch that one more time. I'm going to back up just a little bit. Okay, so he starts like going to like the Charlier cut position at that point. And then he just tilts it. One more time. This is not happening. This is my best attempt. Yeah, no, we're just not, no, it gets, okay, no. I have tried that hacky sack type move before, and trust me, you do not want to see me do it again. It's just, whoops, it's just a waste of our time, at least people like me. I don't know about you, but people like me. The Riffle fan, mine's not as good, but it still works. Okay. Honestly, that doesn't seem too bad. Let me watch that one more time. Okay, the whole thing by itself is difficult, but I'm wondering like the card flip part. Do you think that would be difficult? Right here, he lodges that one card. He's holding one card in like this kind of grip. Or is it like this kind of grip? The other card is like here. This is held here, and this is between the packets like this. So I don't know if you could see that well, but it's something like this. And then he is just throwing it up. The deck's doing a full 360 and just landing back down. Easy. Man, it's not doing the full like 360 flip. It's just going 180. And that's, you know, that's how a master learns. That's quite nice. That's quite nice. I don't think I could throw the card that far around. One more time. I'm curious how he threw it. Let's try it out. Close enough. Man, these guys just make it seem so smooth. It's unreal. I've seen this move before. I completely skipped my mind on what it's called. I don't recall, but if I remember, I will let you know. Oh. 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 I can do that. Come on, it's one card. Yeah, no, I can't. I thought I could. That was so cool. This is, of course, the Anaconda. We talked about it. Bloom! I learned Bloom. I learned Bloom on this YouTube channel. Check it out. Check that out. Okay. My flower doesn't bloom as nicely as his, but my flower still blooms. We all bloom in our own time. Ooh, very nice. Okay, the move on the with his right hand, that's known as L cuts. It took me a while to actually figure out how to do that. I still can't do it very well. What's the other move that he's doing in his hand? Let me go back a little bit. I'm sure maybe he's just doing a bunch of one-handed moves. Yeah, so he did a variation of moves with his other hand, but let me show you L cuts. Then maybe something like this with this other hand. I don't actually know what happened, but something like that. Some awesome stuff. Oh. Hold on one second. What was that card flick all the way in the back? How do you do that? There's no way the card flicks that well. One more time. Watch what that guy's doing in the background. Right here, that guy? I just need to know. I need to know. How is he flicking that card? Huh. I honestly feel like I'm going to get nowhere because I can't even see. I have to break it down like frame by frame to see what every finger is doing. That's the only way I can learn this. So in that case, moving on. That was nice. Very nice. Look how like they just make it seem like it flows so well. Oh, that was nice. Going back to the Delta thing, right? Let's watch that one more time. What even happened there? Where was the... It was this? That literally seemed like edited. That's wild. Insane. Ooh, smooth. So nice. Oh! Let's try making this rhombus type diamond shape. Is he going to show how to do it? No, this is something else. Okay, let me back up a little bit. Right here. Okay, so he has two packets furrowed against each other, and then he's literally letting them go into each other to make that shape. Let's watch it one more time. Back it up a little bit. I just want to make sure they're misaligned. And there's heavily one on top of the other here, and there's a pretty large intersection. Oh, he does it again. Oh, it's a different version. Wait, hold on. This one seems okay. How do you do that with the one card? Okay, if we can do the first one, I think that's going to be a big win for us. First, we got to get the two furrowed halves, which are going to be very small. There's one half furrowed. There's the other half furrowed. How are we even... How? How are we holding this? Let me just go back a little bit to see what's actually going on here. Okay, so he's holding them very widely. Dude, this is wild. Okay. So like this. And I don't think my hands are wide enough for this. Like, I can't... I don't think I can get into the position, honestly, yo. Oh, man, okay. Cleanup time. So here's my problem. How does anyone even get into this grip? It just seems illegal. Unreal. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. We got hot shot going. Oh! I have never done like cardistry with like 2 people. I kind of in sync with each other. I always wanted to do that. So if any of you ever want to do that, hit me up. That was nice. Super in sync. Ooh. Dude, these guys just make it seem like it's butter melting in their hands. Like that last move. Literally just looked like butter in his hands. Hold on. Let me move back a little bit. It doesn't even look that hard. Like, look at that. Look how the cards are flowing. It's unreal. I guarantee you if I try that. Here we go. These people are too awesome for me. Ooh, so nice. This guy in the flannel is obsessed with this deck. I think that's what it is. Just wanted to comment that. Thank you very much. But his skills are amazing. Look at that. That was cool. But oh! I want to learn that. I want to learn that. That is what I want to learn. Ooh, it just looks so good. My God. People are awesome. And that's enough for me. No more playing cards. Ever. If you guys also tried out some of these moves or already knew them beforehand, do let me know how easy or difficult they were for you to learn down in the comments. And for more of these types of videos, you can click on this playlist right here. I'll see you